trying to figure out this rear window trim that I've never ever done. See if I can figure it out with the clips, how they go. Mocking it up right now to see what I figure out and how to do it. Don't remember how I took that one off, so wish me luck. I may have to YouTube this one. These are the original window clips from the Rx3. They should fit Rx2. These are aftermarket clips. I tried it on one and it looks like it grabbed good, but they're plastic. So what I'm gonna do is, yeah, it just scratched it. I'm gonna add a couple in the side and then plastic in the middle and spread it out so the trim don't fall. Wish me luck. Well, so far these clips are working. What I did is marked this, and you can tell I marked this trim. I already had tape like this side, just in case you don't find how you do it. So tape here, kind of center it 1/2 inch each side, and as you can tell they both line up, so that way you don't lose your spot. You slide this in first. I'm gonna try to show you with one hand. Just carefully, and you see how that lines up. You do the bottom, then you snap it. So I started from over there. I'm gonna try the bottom one since it's closer for me. Snap it in, and then just do the top this way and then clip the smaller side. So far these clips are, the original ones clip pretty nice, but the aftermarket ones work pretty good. And I like them because they leave a little spacing here, so kind of makes it, force it that way. So it's coming along. Well, got the trim on. Feels pretty good. I like the original ones. You could tell where they are. They actually feel way better than the aftermarket ones, so may have to look for the original ones, because see the plastic, how it kind of sticks out. It's grabbing, but I like the original one, so may have to look for it, but it will do. I'm not gonna be going on the highway for now, so I don't think it is gonna fly out. This side kind of snapped. There you go, trim's on. Got the trim on. Got the, I don't know what they call these pieces. Got that on. One in the back. Did the other side. Not bad. That'll be it for today. Let's see what else I Maybe tomorrow I may tackle these trims. And start cleaning this track so I can install the trim in the front. Gotta order the wiper nuts and whatever that's called. I think it looks good. Well, the track looks good. I tried to pop one in. That was kind of crooked. And the aftermarket lost its clips. So I don't like the way it feels. So if it locks, don't try to force it because then it gets loose. I'm gonna try to look for the original ones. But it's looking better.